Hi ladies, just wanted to remind you that on the 17th of March we've got our ladies prayer breakfast for Devoted. We are starting at 9:30. We're going to be served some lovely food. We are going to worship God together and we're going to pray together. We are covering the theme of staying faithful and staying strong even when going through grief, when going through losing a loved one, and we just want to really encourage one another. We want to grow together. It's only £3, and if you want to bring your children, you're more than welcome to do so. It's free for them to come. We will serve them some food as well, so please make sure you book in, see Cam or see Gertrude and get your ticket today. You've got today or next Sunday. We hope you can make it. Thank you.
Please join us for Bible studies on the 2nd and 4th Wednesdays in the month here at church.
During March and April, Dec will be continuing his series on Jacob. If you would like to be challenged and inspired, please come and join us.
Calling all men. There are 3 events at church here just for you.
First Saturday event is the 28th of April. The second event is the 21st of July, and the third event is the 27th of October. There'll be games, fellowship, and good to hang out.
Make sure you get all the dates in your diary and join us here so we can encourage one another.
Today is your final chance to book in for SYC at the early bird price.
Pick up your form or download it on our website with your £40 deposit.
Good Friday service is at 7 p.m. on the 30th of March.
Followed by a baptismal service on Easter Sunday. If you would like to get baptised, please come and see Dec.
Any young people who want to come to the Higher Target at All Nations Church this Saturday,
Please pick up your letter from Dad to get your ticket today.
Thank you for watching. Please check out our website.
Remember to follow us on Instagram,
Facebook and Twitter.
Have a really good week.
Bye!